Video 95 then, the property of congruency. What does it mean when two shapes are congruent? Well, basically it means that they are of the same shape and size. So in other words, they are the same shape. It's fairly easy to go through, but you can slip up sometimes. We'll just have a look at a couple of examples. So these two then are congruent because they are the same. The angles are all the same, the size is the same, the shape is the same. And these two aren't congruent because the angles are slightly different in the one on the right. They're the same color, they're around about the same size, but they're not the same shape because the angles are different. Very simple. What about these two then? Are they congruent or not? Well, they are congruent because all that's happened is the one on the right has been rotated slightly. So they have the same angles, they're the same shape. The one on the right has just been turned, so they are congruent. What about these two then? Are they congruent or not? And look carefully at the pattern if I was you. Well, they are congruent, even though the pattern looks different. The reason being, one is simply a mirror image of the other one. It means it's the same shape, it's the same size, but because it's a mirror image, it doesn't quite look the same. So that's another way, if it's a mirror image, doesn't make it non-congruent. These two then, are they congruent or not? Well, not congruent because the one on the right is a larger version of the one on the left. So despite the fact that the angles are the same and the shape is the same, the size isn't the same. That's all there is to congruency.